Microsoft is increasing its focus on AI in gaming, particularly through its Xbox division. Last week, the company revealed Muse, an AI model trained on the game Bleeding Edge that can generate gameplay, understand 3D environments, and respond to player actions. While the AI is still in early stages, it has raised concerns among game developers about AI replacing human creators, especially given the industry's financial struggles and the growing use of AI tools. Microsoft has assured that AI like Muse will be used mainly in the early stages of game development, but as models improve, the potential for AI to replace jobs is real. The company is also working on AI-infused mini-games for research purposes and planning to showcase more AI innovations at the upcoming Game Developer Conference. Despite pushback from some developers, Microsoft seems committed to integrating AI into its games. The company emphasizes that studios will have the freedom to decide how to use AI, but recent incidents like AI-generated content in Call of Duty show that AI's role in game creation is already expanding. Microsoft's push for AI in gaming may face resistance, but it is clear that the company wants to be at the forefront of this shift, with other Xbox studios likely to follow suit in the future.